In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in CoinStats account. We'll walk through the process on the CoinStats website, and I'll share a few quick tips so you can update your username smoothly and avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your browser and going to coinstats.app. For the best experience, use an up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection. If you see the homepage but aren't already signed in, simply sign in as you normally do so the profile options are available to you. Once you're on CoinStats, look for your profile icon. On desktop, it's typically at the top right and may appear as an avatar or your current initials. On mobile or a smaller window, it can be tucked behind a menu or shown in a bottom bar, but it's the same profile area. Click the profile icon to open your account settings. Inside your profile, locate the section that displays your account details, then click on the username option. This takes you to the personal data area where you can edit your username. Changing the username won't alter your email or portfolio data. It only updates the public or account-facing name others may see, depending on your privacy settings. Now type in the new username you want to use. Choose something clear and recognizable to you and avoid personal details you wouldn't want to share. Many platforms allow letters, numbers, and underscores, and CoinStats may let you know if the name is already taken or if a character isn't supported. If you're updating a brand or handle, try to match it closely to the name you use elsewhere for consistency. After you've entered the new name, click Save. CoinStats will prompt you to complete a quick puzzle verification to confirm it's really you making the change. Go ahead and solve that short challenge. It's a normal security step designed to prevent automated edits. When the verification completes, the site will apply your new username. You may see a brief confirmation or the updated username will appear right away in your profile. If the page doesn't refresh immediately, give it a moment or reload the profile page to view the change. If you receive an error, double-check your internet connection and try a slightly different username. That's it. Go to CoinStats, open your profile, click username, enter the new one, and save with the quick puzzle check. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need to follow along step by step.